If you want to delete a GoDaddy website, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're cleaning up an old site, starting fresh, or removing files from a hosting account you no longer need, this tutorial will help you do it quickly without confusion. And before we get started, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Go to the GoDaddy website and sign in with the account that has access to the hosting plan connected to the website you want to delete. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your services, including domains, websites, and hosting plans. Next, find your web hosting plan and click Manage. This will open the hosting control area for the website files. If you have more than one product or more than one hosting package, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally delete the wrong site. Take a moment here to double check that you're in the right place. Once you're inside the hosting management area, look for File Manager and open it. File Manager is where all of the website's files are stored, and this is where the actual deletion process happens. Depending on your setup, you may see folders, files, and different website resources that make up your site. Now open the public_HTML folder. This folder is usually the main directory for your website, and it often contains the live files that power your homepage and pages. If your website is installed in a different folder, you may need to look for that specific location instead, but in many cases, public_HTML is the one you want. After that, select the website files you want to remove. You can choose individual files or select everything inside the folder if your goal is to completely delete the website content from that hosting space. Be careful here and make sure you're only selecting the files you truly want to delete. If you're unsure, it's always smart to back up the files first before removing anything. Once the correct files are selected, click Delete. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm the action, and this is your final chance to make sure everything is correct. Confirm the deletion, and the website files will be removed from the hosting account. After that, the site should no longer display content from those files. If your goal is to completely take down the website, remember that deleting the files is only one part of the process. You may also want to check whether the domain is still connected, whether any backups exist, and whether any additional services like WordPress installations or databases need to be removed as well. But for the basic process, these steps will delete the website files from GoDaddy hosting. So to quickly recap, log into GoDaddy, go to My Products, open web hosting, click Manage, open File Manager, go into public_HTML, select the website files and click Delete. That's the simplest way to remove a GoDaddy website from hosting. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.